Greeting from Ambubachi Mela. Today I have come to American colony Durga Puja Mandap. Here all these devotees for the Mela have taken shelter. Our aim is to shoot a tutorial on candid photography and explain you why it is important, because getting a candid shot is not that easy. For that you need some kind of preparation. So we'll talk about all these preparations and 5 points. So just follow me on this particular shoot. The very first point for candid photography is that whether you are prepared with your camera or not. The first thing is that your memory cards are properly inserted or not. Next, your battery socket, you have the proper fully charged battery. And then comes the point of lens. Basically, in case of candid photography, you need a tele zoom so that you can hide or cover yourself from the subject. Your subject will not notice you, and that will be easier for you to shoot. So let's try. There are a lot of devotees, a lot of activities are going on. We'll try to shoot something with difference. Here the basic aim is to get some candid shot where the person is not noticing you. So the basic thing is that to use a tele lens. And now I'm trying to capture some shots when people are combing their hairs and getting prepared to go out. Let's see. Got just one shot, and right now what is happening, you see, I have taken these shots and they're relaxing in a different way. So I got that shot. I'll show you next. And in some cases the portraits are also important. So always try to read the light and capture. Right now I have come to Rest Camp Kalibari, where a lot of devotees from West Bengal have arrived, and my intention, as I was trying to capture some moments which are associated to candid photography, so I will try to get some shots. It's not easy, I have told you. You have to wait for the moment. I just want to tell you that candids are not easy. First, you have to be ready with your camera and the lens. Then you have to understand the exposure setting and also the mood that you are going to capture, whether it's a people's shot or it's in wildlife or whatever. Candids are moments. Once you miss, it's lost. So as you see, in the last part of my tour through the devotees of Ambubachi Mela, I have reached to Pandu Bazar Durga Mandap. Here a lot of devotees from Eastern India have come and they are taking shelter out here. And my actual aim is to capture some candid modes, some emotions and some actions through photography. The camera is your first and foremost gadget to be ready for the shot. You have to check whether the memory cards are all in place or not, whether the battery segment is okay or not. That is more important. And then comes the point of lens. In this kind of candid photography, what is more important is that you have to camouflage or rather cover yourself from the crowd. Rather, people should not notice you. So what you can do, you can use a tele zoom kind of lens, maybe 80-200 or 70-300 kind of lens. So that will give you the option to hide yourself and take the mood or the action or the moment. So that portrait you can capture if you can hide yourself. If they don't notice you, then you will get enough option to take those pictures. So that is the third point. And the fourth is, wherever you are taking candid shots, the moments comes and goes immediately. It's very fast. It happens and it stops. So your exposure has to be correct. Here I got few shots which are very much touchy. I got two ladies who met for the first time in this particular area, though they are from different parts of West Bengal, but they are talking and their gestures have caught my attention, and I got some good shots which I am showing you here. You see how they have mixed up with each other. That is more important. That is candid. That is a mood I have captured. And there are other shots as well. So in the last part of this series, I am going to show you some candid pictures which I have taken in 3 areas. So the last point, that is the 5th point, is that be alert when you are actually planning to take some candid shots. Only that moments you can record, because moments are important in candid photography. So best wishes from Image Hut for your future candid shots. Subscribe our channel Image Hut and be with us